Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you the status bar of Notepad. Here in this tutorial I will guide you what is the use of status bar in Notepad and how you can easily enable or disable that status bar into your Notepad file. So keep watching. In this video we will learn something new of Notepad. Friend, first thing first, we are going to open Notepad. So simply click on this start button and then here you can simply search Notepad. So friend, you can see that my Notepad file is open now. Here we want to talk about the status bar. Friend, here at the bottom you can see that this is the gray putty you can see over here. This is the gray bar which is over here and this is called status bar. Okay, so now we are going to open some files so you will get the idea what is the use of this status bar. Okay, for example friend, this is the line and here we want to select this line. So now status bar, you can see that right now we are on line number 4, for example 1 2 3 4, and here you can see that we are line number 4 with column 713. Okay, and in this selection of this paragraph it has 7900. Here you can see that the 712 alphabets or character we have selected. Now when you scroll we are selecting more, then you can see that this character is going increase. For example, this is going 725 total character of this Notepad we have. This is the status bar. You can get this information like line, column and character. You can see very easily. Now friend, you can see over here this is the zooming part. What is the zooming set over here? This is showing 100% and this is type of your Notepad file. This is the UTF-8 file is available. Okay, so friend, by this status bar you can get the complete information about your cursor, where you are, which line right now you are, what the column right now your cursor is there. So this way you can easily find out all the things of that your Notepad. If you want to enable or disable this status bar, then what you will do, simply click on this view menu. So friend, when you click over here, then you will get this option status bar of check mark. Then you click here, then you can see that status bar is gone. That means that status bar is disabled. Now we want to enable this status bar, then what you will do, simply click on this view menu and then click on this status bar. So again that status bar will appear in this Notepad. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily enable or disable the status bar in Notepad. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. Friend, let's see on the another tutorial of Notepad into our channel. So keep watching and stay tuned with me.